Rob Mackay deals with children's furniture and also toys, with the very popular range of toys he makes for boisterous boys. And we all know how active 3-year-olds can become when they're drivers of concrete mixer vehicles or logging trucks, let alone bulldozers. This is real men's stuff, no messing around. But one thing not wanted for little fingers and bare arms are splits in the wood or splinters. They hurt big time. And it has been shown that poplar is much the best from a weight point of view and ease of creating small turn parts for concrete mixer trucks. So in the field of children's toys made of wood, safety, weight, smoothness and overall appearance is what New Zealand poplar offers. That's the wood many farmers want to trash. So don't do it. Poplar is worth milling.
This is a piece of New Zealand pine. I have trouble with the pine on the lathe trying to turn out a barrel for the concrete mixers. Very hard. After a while it ends up with sitting for 4 days and didn't get back to finish the job. It splits, and at the end of the product you have very bad splinters. On the poplar, totally different. Weight-wise, light, heavy, both dry. But the poplar turns out smooth as on the lathe. This one shatters, you've still got to do a lot of sanding afterwards, even with razor sharp chisels, have a lot of trouble with it. That's a split right up there. This toy is one of my favourites. It's a crane truck. It's made out of black New Zealand poplar. It is all cut out of short pieces of timber that I get from the mill, which is waste ends that usually go on the fire from cattle yards and sheep yard timber and gate timber. Mast will slip out. It's a beautiful timber to work with. I've had this toy for quite a while now, and it hasn't warped or split or done anything silly. It sands up so smooth. Some of my toys are knocked up pretty quick, but the children absolutely love them. They've been going to preschool play centres around most of the country.
Another feature with poplar timber, you can make cooking utensils out of it. It is noted for being a non-taint timber. So it's another very important feature of poplar.
Operating under the name of Ruby Woodwork is another devotee of New Zealand poplar timber. In his furniture, for instance, this clever reversible step stool, shown here by Russell Collins, and in other creations, the inherent beauty of the wood is clearly seen. The wood is still lightweight when dry and resistant to splitting, and therefore not something fraught with the chance of splinters. And in his quoits games, rideable horses, and toy guns, one finds creations of lightweight, safe for children. Of particular note is the fine work in Rube's miniature farmyard layouts and other delicate representations, which are a favourite with children. The wood is carefully chosen and worked to show its underlying grain and warm colour, enhanced by the application of a clear satin protection oil. The result is almost magical.